Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into Gigsberg, a secondary ticket marketplace where you can snag seats for concerts, sports, and theater. The setup is simple. Sellers set their own prices, which is usually code for prepare your wallet for a beating, while Gigsberg promises everything is secure. But the real question is whether this place is actually legit or if you're just buying a very expensive digital paperweight. Let's break it down step by step and see if it's worth your time. First, let's look at their social media. Gigsberg is surprisingly active on Instagram and Facebook, which is a good sign since most scammers have the digital footprint of a ghost. They're actually posting updates and engaging with people, suggesting they care about transparency and building trust. It's a solid start, though being a social media active is a pretty low bar these days. My cat has an Instagram, and he's definitely not selling Super Bowl tickets. Next up is customer support. They offer live chat and even WhatsApp support, which is actually quite convenient. If your tickets don't show up, you can message them immediately instead of shouting into a void. Having multiple ways to get in touch shows they're at least pretending to care about solving your problems quickly. In the world of ticket platforms, having a support team that actually responds is basically a luxury service. We also dug into their history. Gigsberg has been around for over 3 years now, which is a lifetime in internet years. Most fly by night. Operations don't stick around long enough to see a second software update, so their longevity is a major plus. We even found the owner, Benny L., on LinkedIn. It's always nice to see a real human face behind a company, if only so you know exactly whose profile to haunt if your front row seats turn out to be a view of a concrete pillar. Now, let's talk about the reviews, where things get a bit spicy. The testimonials on their own website are glowing and perfect, probably because they were curated with the precision of a diamond cutter. To get the real tea, we checked Trustpilot and Reddit. While they have a decent 4.2-star rating on Trustpilot, Reddit users tell a more dramatic story. Some people got their tickets just 24 hours before the event, which is great if you enjoy a side of heart palpitations with your live music. The darker side of the feedback includes reports of fake or duplicated tickets and the occasional nightmare involving a missing refund. So, while many people have a smooth experience, there are definitely some cautionary tales floating around. The verdict? Gigsberg appears to be a legitimate secondary marketplace with a solid track record and a visible owner. However, like any resale site, it's a bit of a gamble. Proceed with caution, do your research, and maybe keep a backup plan in case things go sideways. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reality checks. See you next time.